We are now getting ready for race number 11 of the men's repassage. In lane number 2, Rowers Club Philippines. In lane number 3, Onslaught Racing Dragons. And in lane number 4, QC Legionnaires. We would like to call teams in race number 14, the men's.
Wala na! Wala na! Wala na! Wala na tugtog! Oo, ito! Tayo!
Calling all teams for race number 14,
Yes.
the men's semifinals. Philippine Army, Maharlika Dracon, and De La Salle University. Please stand by. Final call for teams in race number 13 of the mixed repassage. Blue Phoenix and Manila Dragons. Please proceed to the loading area now.
Nagkakain, coach! Hindi ako pinagpawisan ka rin. Pinagpawisan ako.